Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So as the gardening season really starts to kick into gear, I'm sure you're all noticing all of those veggie starts. They're showing up on the shelves of our garden centers and nurseries, and they're really enticing. It's hard to resist going down and getting those and throwing them right into our gardens. I don't discourage you from doing that, but I do encourage all of you new gardeners out there to grow something in your garden from seed. I know it can be discouraging dealing with leggy starts or dampening off. In fact, my first couple of seasons, I had many failed attempts at growing from seed. Just start with something simple. I worked with tomatoes over my first couple of seasons and took notes of the things that were causing me problems and learned from those things and used them in my next attempt at growing from seed. In fact, down in the description, I've got a video where I've got some tips for starting your seeds indoors. Now, let's get growing.